Hello and welcome to John Banks Honda in Colchester. Today we're going to be looking around this used Honda HRV that we have available. Now this one in particular is in the advanced trim and it has the 1.5 petrol hybrid automatic setup. It's also only got one owner from new and has done 41,793 miles. Now the advanced trim does come with a lot of standard equipment, and in particular on the exterior you'll note you'll have features such as the rear parking sensors, rear reversing camera, these 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry and keyless start, blind spot assist as well as auto dimming wing mirrors, full LED headlights with unique DRL signature. Below that, your front parking sensors, and just underneath that, your LED fog lights too. Moving to the interior, we'll start with the back seats. Now the HRV is based on the Jazz, so you do get to keep a lot of those practical qualities that that model has in this one too. So the first thing you'll probably notice is the generous amount of legroom and headroom the vehicle offers, despite the small size. You'll also notice the two-tone leather and cloth upholstery. The rear also gets, just underneath the central air vent, two USB-A sockets as well, so that will keep your kids entertained in the back. And you do also get the two ISOFIX points on those rear outer seats as well. All-round electric windows also come as standard on this model too. Now one cool party trick that the rear seats have is Honda's Magic Seats, where you can simply raise the seat base up, fold down the bar, that will lock it into place, and that opens up the interior a lot more. So if you have a particularly tall item that doesn't fit in the boot, you can pretty much fit it in the back instead, and that applies for both seats as well. And it's just as easy to pull down again. You just simply release the handle and click it back into place. The seats also fold 60-40, and they make use of that deep footwell as well, because as you'll see, they fold down completely flat. Moving around to the boot, it's electrically operated with a button just underneath the Honda logo, and you'll see straight away with either the seats down or up, you get a lot of cargo space, and indeed it's actually one of the largest in its class. Again, there's some also clever party tricks hiding in here, and one in particular is underneath the boot floor. So you have this little storage cubby here. So what's great about this is that if you have dirty wellies, for example, you can rinse them off here and they'll drain through the little holes at the bottom, meaning you can keep your shoes all clean as well as the boot. The boot, as I mentioned, of course, is electrically operated, and you have two buttons in how to use it. So the first one on the left will just simply close the close the boot, but it'll also let you adjust the height. So if you have quite a short ceiling in your garage, it means you can set it to a specific height where it'll always automatically open to that position, so it won't damage or dent the boot itself. And the one on the right hand side we'll demonstrate now. That illuminate green, so if you've got lots of shopping but your hands aren't free to then close the boot, it will use the parking sensors to detect that when you walk away, it'll automatically close the boot for you. Moving around to the front, we'll hop into the driver's side. And again, this is where you'll find a lot of those standard equipment as well. So for example, as I mentioned earlier, again, you've got the all-round electric windows, the wing mirrors, they're electrically operated as well and folding. To the right of the steering wheel, you've got this little control panel which controls all your safety systems like your blind spot assist, your parking sensors, your electric boot, etc. In the middle, behind the steering wheel, you've got your digital dash, and to the left of that, you've got your auto lights, your auto wipers. Behind that, your power start, and the steering wheel itself. So on the left hand side you have all your multimedia controls, and on the right hand side You have your adaptive cruise control settings. You'll also notice under that you've also got the heated seats, which again comes standard on this model too. Moving to the centre, you'll notice the rather large display, and again it's got the inbuilt sat-nav included. And below that you've got your dual zone climate control, which again you can toggle depending on temperature you need. And there is a cool little quirk you have in these. So if you make it hotter, it'll glow red. If you make it colder, it'll glow blue. You'll also see that you've got heated driver's seat and heated passenger seat as well. And just below that, to the left, you've got a USB-A port, and to the right-hand side, you have another one as well. In front of that, you've got, of course, your automatic gearbox, but just below that, you do also have your drive mode select too. I'll also show you the upholstery once more again for the driver's side. So again, that two-tone leather and fabric. And it's set really nicely with the white speck in the fabric, along with the white contrast stitching too. If you feel like this model ticks a lot of your boxes, by all means, come on down. We'd love to take you out on a test drive for it. We can also give you any part exchange evaluations too, and we can run you through any finance quotes should you need them as well.